For this finishing technique, you will need to make something on which to transfer an underglaze design. You may make a cup on the wheel like I did, just don't spend too much time on there. If you're not getting it, you might have to go over to hand building, make a cup, a plate, a bowl, whatever you would like. While it is drying or while you have it packed up, you will do the following. On your newspaper, use colored underglaze to paint whatever design you want to transfer onto your pot. If you plan on using multiple colors, just note that this is going to be a little different than painting normally. Whatever color you paint down first will end up being on the top when we transfer this. So this means if you want a background color, that will be the last step. I do not want to see you rush through the underglaze portion of this. The nicer and neater that your underglaze painting is on the newsprint, the more successful your transfer will be. If you would prefer using a bulb squeezer or a fine liner instead of a paintbrush, please ask. I do have those available. So now that I've let my main design dry, I'm going to go over the entire thing with my background color. I chose black because it will contrast nicely against the bright oranges and reds. Once you are done, you will again let everything dry. Once you have your leather hard project and your dry image, you are ready to transfer. What you will need is a smooth metal rib, and a spray bottle works, but a damp sponge will also do. Cut your project out to make it easier on yourself, and then what you will do is you will spritz the back. My pot got a little drier than I'd like, so I just spritzed a little bit of water on it to help prepare the surface. You might not need to do this. When you're ready, take your underglaze painting and on the back side, spritz a little bit of water. You'll start to see your design show through due to the wetness. Now, acting quickly, take your pot and lay your transfer right on top, making sure there are no wrinkles. And now you use your metal rib and you just scrape along this to really press it down. Think temporary tattoo. You really need to push that rib on all parts of it to make sure your design comes out. If you had too much underglaze, you might notice some bleeding like I end up doing, but that is fine. Now really take your time and make sure you get everything, because if you do not press it down and it doesn't come out, you will have to restart.